What's up, Rumii users? Let's talk about how to import 3D models into Rumii. There's 3 different ways you can import 3D models into Rumii. You can do a direct 3D model upload to your team's Rumii drive, or you can upload a zip file to your team's Rumii drive, or you can create a .rumii file type. We strongly recommend using the third upload method of creating a .rumii file type asset bundle. This process is more time consuming, but it is higher quality and more optimized than the first 2 options. Let's have a look at the first method of uploading, a direct 3D model upload. Now you're going to want to make sure that the textures or the media is actually embedded into the file that you're exporting. So if there's any options in your 3D program, go ahead and check those boxes or whatever you need to do to make sure those are embedded. Now we've got 14 supported different file types: DAE version 1.5, OBJ, STL, 3DS, Blend, LWO, LWS, B3D, SMD, PLY, X, DXF, FBX from 2013, and GITF version 1.0. If you're having any problems doing any direct 3D model upload, you can email us at support@dogheadsimulations.freshdesk.com. Alright, let's have a look at the model loader. Here we have our Rumii widget screen. We're going to click the Rumii icon. And over here we have our model viewer. If you look at our model viewer screen, we have on the left here, we have all the different models we've uploaded to our Rumii drive. We have our page back and forth buttons here. We have the ability to delete files, and we have the ability to upload files. On the right, you're going to see the actual loaded models in the scene. So let's click Upload. Now I've got an FBX in my download directory. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. I'm selecting the FBX, and this FBX file actually has all textures embedded. It's going to upload, and then it's going to display right here. And once you have a model displayed, you can go ahead and grab the translation handles and move it around. On desktop mode, up here on the top, you're going to have rotation as well. You're going to have scale. And in VR, you're going to want to look straight down, and you should have a little UI there where you can use these same icons. If you want to delete a model, just go ahead and delete it right here. You're going to see a trash can next to your loaded models. If you delete here on the left on your Rumii drive, it'll be off your Rumii drive, and you will not be able to access it again unless you upload it again. Let's have a look at the second way to upload files to your Rumii drive, zip file upload. Zip files can be used to view models inside of Rumii which contain textures or other media that cannot be embedded into the file type due to limitations of the file format itself. The zip file should only contain files used by the model. The actual file hierarchy inside of the zip file is completely dependent on the pathing of the textures for the model. Let's have a look at 2 different types of file hierarchy. Here we have, in the root directory of the zip file, a box model file and all of its textures all in the same root directory. And over here we have another example where we have the box in the root directory, but there's a second folder within the root directory called textures, and this is where textures are located. If you're unsure of where the texture should be located, it's best to ask the creator of the model. If you obtained the model from somewhere on the internet, the zip file contents should be in the correct hierarchy already. When a zip file is chosen to be uploaded inside the model viewer widget, the model will be spawned after it finishes uploading and downloading from your team's Rumii drive. If textures are placed inside the zip file, the textures should be correctly placed on the model. And like I said before, creation of a .rumii file type is always the preferred method with better performance and more stability. You can look at the description below with information regarding how to upload files, documents, and links to other video. And thanks for watching.